Fáilte Rash, welcome back, or just Fáilte if you're new here. We're going to look at how to say I'll see you around in Irish. This is a phrase that native speakers use all the time, and it's always great to have these phrases when you're speaking with friends or colleagues and being able to make small talk like a native speaker. And just a disclaimer, I do have some background noise here because I'm outside to my team. We have a very small house, Tachin Biog, and my husband's working, my daughter's asleep, so I'm outside Sachordine in the garden. Acharailin, on we go. First of all, don't forget to download your free PDF for writing emails as Gaeilge. So this is amazing for writing personal or work emails. Has all the things that you would usually put into an email in an easy, handy PDF that you can have on your desktop or print it out for your work desk. And also, we have a free daily translation challenge every single day. It's an amazing way to improve your Irish, especially your everyday Irish. And you can sign up for that down below as well. Now, I'll see you around in Irish is Fecky, May, Heart, Who. Fecky, May, Heart, Who. Fecky, my heart, who. I'll see you around. Now, you can type this into aber.ie here, and you'll be able to choose a region that you're interested in if you're interested in Ulster or Munster specifically. And you can also hear Connacht in there as well again. And you'll be able to hear this in each of those dialects if you're interested in any of those regions specifically. But Fecha Heart too is I'll see you around, and what a great one to add in. And then also if you're speaking to more than one person, so this two or who here with a shevu is to one person. If you were speaking to more than one person, you would just say shiv. So fecha me heart shiv. Pronounced different in different dialects, but all you'd have to add in is your SIBH for shiv, and then you'll be able to say, I'll see you around to more than one person. So Sinead, Tusha Choheskishin, that's it. It's that easy. Don't forget to sign up for the daily translation challenge. We already have 25 days done by the time that I record this video, so there's loads of challenges there. And you can sign up to get it to your email every single morning at 10 a.m. and you can improve your Irish in just a minute a day. Gur míle maith, thank you so much. Agus slán go fóill. Bye for now.